where is Mr. Imran Khan's nominating Mr. Gaur Ali Khan as a chairman? Where is that letter?
Page 2. If you letter नहीं सर, वो न्यूज में आया था।
हमने बताया था ना।
नहीं तो ये हम कैसे ये बात तस्लीम कर लें? देखिए हम अब न्यूज में तो नहीं चलेंगे ना।
ठीक है, but I'm just saying कि I'm looking at now the facts as they were।
आप देखिए, आप बुरा ना मानिए।
जी जी।
We're not casting aspersions.
Right.
Please don't misunderstand us.
जी जी।
How can we even assume this, that he's nominated him?
It was in the papers, it was in the media talk।
कोई नोट हो जाएगा ना, I hereby nominate, कुछ तो दिखा दें।
नहीं, इसका नॉमिनेशन नहीं होती सर, वो नॉमिनेशन पेपर पे जाके साइन करेंगे। He was a candidate which was put up, let us put it this way, he was a candidate being supported by the chairman PTI।
Why not you? You are an older member। Why not Hamid Khan? Why not Hamid Khan sahab? He's a founding member।
Because
देखिए ये बातें ये आप बस कह रहे हैं ना।
जी कह रहा हूँ।
उसके अलावा हमारे पास कोई कागज कुछ नहीं है ना।
जी
देखिए, खान साहब is a founding member, you are an older member, senator, मतलब so these questions also arise। Tomorrow Mr. Imran Khan comes out and says, I never nominated him then।
चलें वो that is an observation, your lordship। I'm just taking your lordship through this now, the dates। So your lordship 29th को फिर next page annex 5 is the 29th को the federal chief election commissioner who was appointed, he published a schedule, and the schedule जो है sir, it is with the approval of the election commission। Election commission has 6 people in it। 6 people जिनके नाम
कल तक हमें नहीं किसी ने
जी मैं बताता हूँ जी नाम
इसमें लगी हुई
कौन से पेज।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।